this is a video for installing not installing that USB support with TAC TV setup box, and I am going to tell you how to do it in Ubuntu system, and I am doing it in Ubuntu 18.04, and this is our URL, and how I come to this one is I have typed this one, video converter Ubuntu 18.04, and in that one I just came to the howtoforge.com. There I have the installation steps for curlew, which is the video converter. So we are going to install this app to Ubuntu, and this says Ubuntu sudo -s and all, and let me tell you that you don't require to do sudo -s. You can just give before this line sudo, and after this line sudo, and every time when you do this, it will automatically do the sudo apt get update, so you don't necessarily need to do this. So you can proceed for the fourth line, so sorry, fifth line, and before that also you can put sudo, and once you install this, let me show you how this stuff there. I have already done it. It's like let me tell you that, let me show you that. That is this is our first line. In my case, first line also doesn't require, because I have already worked on FFmpeg, so it's not adding it. And after that, next I am trying to do the another dependency, which is from Noob Labs, and it's asking for the permission to do the installation process. So it is installing the stuff, and if you are Ubuntu user, you might know that sudo apt get update will update all these things. So what it's exactly saying is, it is adding this ppa into the repository, that is package list, and once it's done, it is going for the update by itself. So it's doing the sudo apt get update, and after that, once it is completed, you just have to proceed to the installation process of curlew. So I have already installed it, so I didn't do it again. So it is installed. Once you install it, you just have to go to the apps, show applications. There you can see curlew app, and you have to open that app. I have already opened it, so I'm just showing that. And curlew, how that our requirement is for TAC TV, we don't know which MPEG will support. So I have tried most of the video supporting stuff, so let me tell you which are all not working. Actually, most of them not working, or really few were working, and let me tell you the few were. Actually, in the TAC TV you can see H.264 videos will work. In a sense, they are trying to say MP4 videos will work, but when I tried with my pen drive, it's not detecting it at all. It's detecting MPEG1 and MPEG2. So these two only will work. Other most of the qualities won't, not at all work. So, and also in that one, MPEG1 is the best support with the TAC TV USB video formats. So I am selecting MPEG video 1, and I have chosen it. So sorry, I have already chosen it, it's not allowing. Okay, MPEG 1 is selected, and I am adding a file. So I'm just selecting one of my Chinese Cabaneri web series, so I'm adding that video file, so which is an MP4 file itself. And after that, we are going for the settings. So I have selected it, and I'm going to the settings, and there I am choosing that audio should be MP2. If it is not MP2, you won't be able to hear any audio in that. And after that, in the video, change the default size to 640 480 because TAC TV those stuff, and your TV will mostly support this one. If it is a bigger resolution, most of the TV is not supporting. In my case 640 480 only supporting. And after that it is the codec is MPEG-1 only. And bit rates, you can see you can give all lower stuff, but not 1500. One from 1100 till the minimum it is working. So in my case 1100 I am selecting. And after that, so audio, this is the audio. Just look at this. You just have to change MP2 only. And in video you have to change the resolution, and in the video format you have to choose MPEG-1. So once you done it, go for the process of convert. So once you click convert, it will start doing the conversion process. Once it is it is started, what it does is it will go and save the data in the videos. So in these videos you can see I have tried WMV, it's not working, and MPEG, there were MPEG file, different files I have tried, and some this file had worked. Okay, so this is the currently converting stuff. You can see this is increasing that 12.4 12.7. So it is the currently conversion process taking one. So files will be available in videos. So this is what it is, and you can see once it is done, you save the file to the USB and go and try to play it in your TV setup box, and it will work. Thank you for looking at this video. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.